Alright, you guys can see here, I'm using the I'm using the Dji Spark to do my unboxing in this video. I don't have a tripod, so it's gotta be a reason for me to have this little guy here and go from there.